Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is January the 16th, and these are our Walla Walla onions. I took them out of the enclosed bag because I want the seedlings to get light. So I put them under this light here. It's on for 14 hours a day with either daylight or sunshine bulbs because I use both of them. And they're going to continue to grow under here for us. So I just wanted to show you that. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I will try and answer them for you. And please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. And thank yous for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Bye.